Today, we're inside a luxurious indoor showroom, and right in front of us stands the stunning Mercedes V-Class in a breathtaking metallic black finish. From the moment you see it, the front view makes a powerful impression. The straight-on stance showcases the bold chrome-lined grille, the signature Mercedes star positioned proudly at the center, and the sharp LED headlamps that give the V-Class a premium and confident identity. The glossy metallic black paint absorbs the showroom lighting beautifully, highlighting the large sculpted bumper and the elegant contours of the hood. Now, moving to the back, again from a straight, direct view, the V-Class continues its sophisticated design language. The tall rear tailgate, clean LED tail lamps, and subtle chrome touches reflect true Mercedes luxury. Shifting to the right side, the long, sleek profile of the V-Class becomes even more impressive. The deep black paint reveals the flowing body lines, while the large tinted windows create a seamless look from front to back. The alloy wheels add a sporty touch, and the side mirrors with integrated indicators complete the premium aesthetic. On the left side, the elegance continues with the same clean, extended silhouette. The sliding door is perfectly aligned into the design, offering convenience without compromising style. Stepping inside to the dashboard, you're greeted with a blend of modern technology and refined materials. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, the wide infotainment display, ambient lighting, and brushed metal accents all contribute to an atmosphere of comfort and control. The front seats reflect true Mercedes comfort, spacious, supportive, and wrapped in premium upholstery. Every surface feels carefully designed, from the stitching to the armrests. Moving to the back seats, the V-Class reveals its true strength, space and comfort. Finally, the engine room showcases Mercedes engineering at its best. Beneath the hood sits a refined power unit designed for smooth performance, efficiency, and reliability. Clean, well-organized components reflect the brand's dedication to precision. This is the Mercedes V-Class Metallic Black, luxurious, powerful, and ready to impress.